Hi, I'm back. This is Ray Salisbury from the land of the long weekend, All Blacks, Buzzy Bees and Hobbits and cats. And this is video number 3. In the first 2 training videos, we looked at the 3 critical factors you need to improve your photography. They were the right equipment in your hands, the right education in your head, and empathy in your heart. Today we will investigate the 3rd critical factor, empathy or encouragement. Most photographers stop at the first factor. They own a camera. Many photographers get some education. They do a workshop or read an ebook, but they stop there. Because they don't apply the theory, their photography never gets any better. You see, upgrading your camera gear and acquiring knowledge will only get you so far. Only one thing will make you a better photographer, and that's practice. Lots of it. I know it's not very sexy, but it's the unpopular truth. MIT did some research on retention rates. The study reported this: we only remember 10% of what we hear, 20% of what we read, 50% of what we see, and 90% of what we do. We gotta get outside and practice. However, unless you are super self-motivated with a headstrong entrepreneurial bent, you will struggle. Without some form of external motivation, some sort of accountability system that will make sure that you do your homework. This is where having a mentor is invaluable. A more experienced photographer who will critique your images and give you constructive feedback. That's where my video training courses come into play. You get practical, hands-on exercises, not just theory. You send me your best photos and I give you critique. I will encourage you, set deadlines to push you if you need it, and measure your progress. Here's one of my students, Rosie. She'll tell you why having such external motivation is vital.
I've learnt more in my first 2 hours with Ray than what I'd learnt in the last year since I got my camera, struggling with the manual. So yeah, I'm definitely getting more bang for my buck. It's one thing to have a good camera, but it's another thing to learn how to use it. And having somebody contact me and ask how I'm going, give me motivation and encouragement, helps me just get out there and just try. So the feedback that I'm getting from Ray helps me keep on track, hoping I'm heading in the right direction, getting those shots that he takes, because I want to get them too.
One of my most popular courses is on composition. Here's what one of my students said: excellent course, comprehensive and very informative with a little bit of humour. Ray has a unique method of presentation that keeps you coming back for more. So, to wrap up, I'll ask you a few questions. Are you unhappy with your photos? Do you struggle to understand camera settings? Or do you get confused with all that technical terminology? Most photography courses try to teach you how a camera works. Technical stuff such as the exposure triangle, which is quite difficult to understand. It appeals to the left side of your brain. Bypass these issues and get in your right mind. Learn the fun stuff first. Understand what makes a good photo. Learn to compose your photos with clear intent, not randomly. Know how to critique your own work and feel good about your photography. Learn the aesthetic, artistic side of photography, and once you've got this mastered, once you're inspired, then learn all that left brain stuff. So, do yourself a favor, check out my composition course, but get in quick while this discount coupon's still available, because numbers are limited. Check the hyperlink below to enroll. See you on the course.